Okay, everybody. So once again, welcome to our conference lesson for today. My name is Alastair, and here is your lesson for today. So, bridging cultures with AI, enhancing business communication in a global marketplace. Okay, so today we are going to think about AI and how that can help us to enhance business communication in a global marketplace where people are speaking different languages. Okay, so let's get started. Let's have a look at our agenda for today. So, first up, we have an introduction to AI in business communication. Number two, cross cultural communication challenges and solutions. Number three, AI driven tools for effective business communication. And lastly, number four, the future of AI in business communication. Okay. So let's check out our introduction. So, hello everyone. As you know, in today's global marketplace, effective communication is essential. AI, artificial intelligence, is transforming business interactions by automating tasks, breaking language barriers, and adapting to cultural differences too. So, AI or artificial intelligence is transforming business interactions by automating tasks, breaking language barriers, and adapting to cultural differences. This presentation will show how AI enhances cross-cultural communication, making global business more efficient and connected. So, taking notes. Okay, of course, guys, you are recommended to take notes for the lesson today. However, if you want the presentation to be emailed to you afterwards, please write your email addresses into the chat. And of course, you can always make a screenshot or two as we go through. And lastly, the presentation will be available on the Cercle de Langues website at another time. Okay, so from now, we recommend that you take notes of the concepts, applications, and tips found in this conference. So let's start. Introduction to AI in business communication. So, what is AI? So, the definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence by machines. These AI systems can perform tasks like learning, problem solving, and decision making, mimicking cognitive functions we associate with human minds. Indeed. So these AI systems can perform tasks like learning, problem solving, and decision making, mimicking cognitive function we associate with human minds. So, examples of AI in everyday life. Okay, guys, so do you use AI? Okay, so mention the AI that you know in the chat. Okay, so we have a chat exercise straight away. Do you use AI? If you do, and you want to participate, you can write in the chat the AI that you use. Okay, so for example, let's think of some AI. A lot of websites use chatbots. Okay, oh, we've got Chat GPT. Yeah, chatbots. Thank you very much, Hubert. And yes, Chat GPT, Canva, absolutely. Very good. Okay. There are other types of things that we use. Translation tools, of course. Practica, absolutely, can help us for our language learning. Okay. Anyone else? DeepL, fantastic. Yeah, these are all forms of AI that some of us use every day, or at least some of the time. Okay, maybe for unlocking phone. It's possible, depending on your phone and your technology. I don't know. I certainly have heard that for unlocking cars, perhaps it's possible too. I don't know. But let's have a look. Okay. So, examples of AI in everyday life. Okay. So, Siri from Apple. Okay. It's a voice activated virtual assistant that can answer questions, set reminders, and perform tasks like sending messages. Okay. So, Siri, it's a voice activated virtual assistant that can answer questions, set reminders, and perform tasks like sending messages. Okay. Google Maps. So AI helps analyze traffic data and suggest the best route. Netflix recommendations. AI suggests TV shows or movies based on your previous viewing history. So AI suggests TV shows or movies based on your previous viewing history. Okay, so these are some examples of everyday life AI. Let's have a look at some. Um, let's have a look at the next screen, sorry. So, why AI matters in a global marketplace. Global business operations. In a world where businesses operate across multiple countries, effective communication becomes crucial. AI helps companies work seamlessly with international partners, clients, and employees. AI tools break down language barriers, ensuring that teams from different parts of the world can communicate smoothly. So, AI helps companies work seamlessly with international partners, clients, and employees. AI tools break down language barriers, ensuring that teams from different parts of the world can communicate smoothly. Okay, let's have a look at the next screen. Here we go. So, what are the benefits of AI in business communication? Let's have a look. Benefits of AI in business communication. Clarity. AI tools help refine business communication, correcting grammar mistakes, suggesting better phrasing, and ensuring messages are clear and concise. Time saving. Automated responses. AI driven email sorting and task scheduling save employees hours of manual work. Number 3, reducing misunderstandings. Translation tools and AI powered cultural insight systems help avoid miscommunication due to cultural or linguistic differences. Okay, so these are great benefits of AI in business communication. Let's review those three one more time. Okay, so AI tools help refine business communication, correcting grammar mistakes, suggesting better phrasing, and ensuring messages are clear and concise. Time saving. So, automated responses, AI driven email sorting, and task scheduling save employees hours of manual work. Number 3, reducing misunderstandings. Translation tools and AI powered cultural insight systems help avoid miscommunication due to cultural or linguistic differences. Okay, well, let's have a look at the next part. Here we go. So we have some general vocabulary. Okay, so I'm going to read through the list of vocabulary. I'll read it once and then I'll go back and read it again. Okay, you have the translations there as well to help with the understanding. So here we go. General vocabulary. Deep learning. Neural network. Computer vision. Cognitive computing. Robotics. Automation. Chatbot. AI ethics. Autonomous systems. Predictive analytics. Big data. Okay, let's have a look at those words again. Have a listen. Here I go. Deep learning, neural network, computer vision, cognitive computing, robotics, automation, chatbot, AI ethics, autonomous systems, predictive analytics, and big data. Okay, so these are some general vocabulary words in English that relate nicely to our topic today. Well, let's move on to the next part, which is cross-cultural communication challenges and solutions. Communication challenges. It is a fact that artificial intelligence is a tool that has great benefits in many academic and professional aspects. However, it is necessary that we as human beings also make an effort to understand each other. Indeed. Okay, so it is a fact that artificial intelligence is a tool that has great benefits in many academic and professional aspects. However, it is necessary that we, as human beings, also make an effort to understand each other. So let's check out some communication challenges. International communication challenges. What are they? Let's have a look. Number 1, language differences. Misunderstandings due to differing languages or expressions. Language differences. Misunderstandings due to differing languages or expressions. Number 2, time zones. Coordinating across time zones can lead to delays and inefficient communication. So, time zones are challenging to global communication. Coordinating across time zones can lead to delays and inefficient communication. Number 3, different work cultures. Varying expectations about communication style, such as direct versus indirect communication. So different working cultures, varying expectations about communication style, such as direct versus indirect communication. Interesting. Here is an example. Okay, so in Japanese business culture, feedback may be given in an indirect manner to maintain harmony and avoid confrontation. So in Japanese business culture, feedback may be given in an indirect manner to maintain harmony and avoid confrontation. Meanwhile, in the US, direct feedback is often seen as more efficient and transparent. Without understanding these preferences, communication may break down, leading to frustration on both sides. So, in the US, direct feedback is often seen as more efficient and transparent. Without understanding these preferences, communication may break down, leading to frustration on both sides. So, how does AI overcome these challenges? Let's have a look. So AI helps overcome these challenges with translation tools. Okay, so AI powered tools can instantly translate languages, breaking down language barriers. Here is a list of some useful translators: Google Translate, DeepL Translator, Microsoft Translator, iTranslate, and Reverso. And I think it's interesting because we can all see how these have evolved as forms of AI since their inception. Of course, it used to be like a dictionary. We could get a word translated to another word. Now we can effectively cross over cultural and linguistic barriers with expressions and phraseology as well. And this is next level translating. Okay, so AI can overcome these challenges using translation tools. The importance of cultural sensitivity. So, understanding and respecting the beliefs, values, and customs of people from different backgrounds, AI tools help companies tailor their communication to the cultural norms of various regions. Fantastic. Okay, so understanding and respecting the beliefs, values, and customs of people from different backgrounds. This is important. Okay, and it's a cultural sensitivity. Now, effective AI tools help companies specify their communication to the cultural norms of various regions with which they work. Okay. So there's there's a comment in the chat. You mean for the moment AI translator only translates words? That's not exactly what I mean. When AI translators when they started at their inception, they were effective for translating words, but the AI technology has evolved, and now we have AI translators that are effective at translating expressions and meaning and not just word for word. So that's not exactly what I meant. Okay, these days, AI translators do so much more than just translate word for word. So let's have a look at the next part. AI driven tools for effective business communication. So, AI driven tools for effective business communication. As technologies rapidly advance, more and more businesses are turning to artificial intelligence, AI, to support faster and more efficient growth. It's true. Okay, so as technologies rapidly advance, more and more businesses are turning to artificial intelligence, AI, to support faster and more efficient growth. This is a reality. Okay. So, collaboration between humans and new forms of AI are creating opportunities for considerable improvements in written communication. So, collaboration between humans and new forms of artificial intelligence are creating opportunities for considerable improvements in written communication. Let's have a look at these figures. So, according to the 2023 State of Business Communication Report, business leaders attribute 1. Heightened productivity, 72%. 2. Increased customer satisfaction, 63%. 3. And boosted employee confidence, 60%, as the top three advantages resulting from effective communication. Okay, so effective communication is highly rated by businesses on a global scale. So if AI can help us to make our communication more effective. Businesses are happier. So here's a list of AI tools for business. Number 1, Grammarly, digital writing assistant. So improve customer experience and internal communication by up-leveling team writing skills with Grammarly. Okay. Zendesk, computer service software. Collect, organize, and analyze data to personalize the customer experience. Zendesk. And Gong.io, virtual sales assistant. Capture customer interactions across platforms to identify red flags and receive recommendations. Gong.io. Okay, so those are all AI-driven tools for communication in business. Here are a couple more. Number 4, Salesforce Einstein. This is a virtual CRM assistant. Automate CRM workflows and streamline customer service chats. Number 5, ServiceNow. Automating enterprise workflows from IT, service requests to customer management, all on one platform. Okay, we've got a however here. Okay, so however, but responsible use of AI in communication requires ethical considerations, transparency, and a balance between technological efficiency and human-centric approaches. Still, successful human-AI collaboration is already implemented. So let's think a bit about the future of AI in business communication. So what are the emerging trends? Emotional recognition. Researchers are working on AI systems that can analyze and interpret human emotions through facial expressions, voice tones, and text. Okay, so emotional recognition. Researchers are working on AI systems that can analyze and interpret human emotions through facial expressions, voice tones, and texts. Okay, let's check out the next screen. So preparing for AI enhanced communication. So to prepare for this, skills are needed. So skills needed for AI-driven communication. Workers must develop skills like technological literacy, adaptability, and cross-cultural competence to work effectively with AI tools to improve global communication. So workers must develop skills like technological literacy, adaptability, and cross-cultural competence to work effectively with AI tools. So, our conclusion for today. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is transforming global business communication, making it more accessible and efficient. By leveraging AI tools, companies can navigate cultural differences, overcome language challenges, and foster or develop stronger international relationships. As AI continues to advance, its ability to bridge cultures will play a crucial role in shaping the future of global business success. There we are. Well, everybody, thank you so much for attending our conference lesson today. It's been great to have you all here. I have thoroughly enjoyed presenting our lesson about AI. I think it's fantastic. It's very exciting and a little bit scary as well, but fantastic, guys. Well, once again, thank you for watching. So there we are. That's the Cercle de Long team. Sorry, I'm just reading comments in the chat about email. So can you receive my email for the presentation? If I have your email already from last week, I can reuse it again for this presentation. But if anyone wants to add their email address to the chat now, they can. Okay, fantastic. Yeah, I think I have that from last time. Wonderful. Okay, guys. Well, thank you all ever so much. Have a great time. Have a good evening.